Hello, my name's Ian. I'm the Head of Nature Recovery for Herefordshire Wildlife Trust. We're looking to appoint a new reserves manager who will be responsible for managing the small team of reserves officers and over 50 beautiful reserves throughout the county. Herefordshire is the most beautiful place to live and work. Ancient orchards, flower-rich meadows, floodplains, ancient woodland, and some of the finest veteran trees in northwest Europe. If you're looking for your next career step, and if you think this is the kind of place you'd like to live and work, why not apply today?